Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Ranch, everyone. We are at the top of the world at Pikes Peak. It's beautiful. We found Bigfoot. We had a couple of friends in town for a few days, so we went and did the grand tour. So, of course, first we had to go to Pikes Peak because it's one of Mike's friends' favorite places in the world. Let's talk first here about this Pikes Peak Cog Railway. This was built in 1891 and is the highest rack railway in the world. It's pretty cool. Pikes Peak has been known by quite a few different names. Ute, El Capitan, Grand Peak, Long Mountain, just to name a few. It is 8,000 feet above Colorado Springs proper, and the total height is 14,115 feet or 4,302 meters. It is located in the Pike National Forest west of Colorado Springs and is the highest summit in the southern Colorado Rockies, according to Wikipedia. Pikes Peak is made of granite, and some of the bristlecone pines on the slope are estimated to be over 2,000 years old. One more fun fact about Pikes Peak. The first European woman to climb Pikes Peak is named Julia Archibald Holmes. When she got to the top, she wrote a letter, and in that letter she said, "Nearly everyone tried to discourage me from attempting it, but I believed that I should succeed, and now here I am. And I feel that I would not have missed this glorious sight for anything at all." I really feel that sentiment up there. Next up was a day trip to Salida and then over to Canyon City and the Royal Gorge. Today I'm in Salida going to my favorite place where they sell these creatures called the bungle jungle. Brett got a little critter from the bungle jungle that day. I love Salida. It is such a cute little town right on the river, and it's just a beautiful way to spend an afternoon. Salida is alongside the Arkansas River. Lots of artsy little shops and restaurants in town, and even a little distillery that makes gin and whiskey called Woods. Great town. I love this area. And after a quick little picnic lunch, it was time to get on US 50 and head into Canyon City and go see Royal Gorge and Skyline Drive. We are at the Royal Gorge Bridge today, but I'm not going on the Royal Gorge Bridge. I'm gonna enjoy it from afar, as it was meant to be. We are going up Skyline Drive out by Canyon City. It's an awesome drive out here, very scenic and very high up in the air. amazing on Skyline Drive, and I highly recommend it, but it's definitely not for the faint of heart. But I love it. What a beautiful day to be alive here in Colorado. And so after an amazing couple of days, it was time to say goodbye to our dear friends and send them back to Ohio. I love it when they come to visit because it always reminds me to take time to appreciate these little things in life and to take time for myself and not push myself quite so hard 24/7. Same goes for you too. Take some time and enjoy something today. I love you. Have a great rest of your day and have an amazing week. Bye.